I can't figure out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be all about exfoliation and how I exfoliate my body and how I prevent ingrown hair. A lot of you requested me to talk about this topic and let you know what is my routine regarding these things. So here I am and let's get started. So why is exfoliation important? I've always told you guys this, that exfoliation is the most important thing, be it any hair removal. If you're practicing hair removal, you have to make sure that you are definitely exfoliating your body. If you do not exfoliate your body and you're practicing hair removal, bam, you will get ingrown hair. And you don't want that, right? Exfoliation also helps to remove all of those dead skin cells which are on your body, and when it removes that upper layer, those dead skin cells, the skin reveal is very smooth, very radiant, very glowy, and you want that skin. Also, for those of you guys who have dry and flaky skin, or you have a Sahara Desert skin, then this method will definitely help you. I would highly suggest you to exfoliate your body. I also feel like it really helps with the overall look of the skin. I feel like whenever I exfoliate and I shave and do my whole routine, I just feel that my body looks so much more healthy. Like, it really makes your skin look healthier. So what products I use to exfoliate my body? Now, I have mentioned this a lot on my channel that I love to use coffee body scrubs on my body, and the product that I'm going to be showing you today is literally one of my favorite scrubs, and oh my god, I'm sure you already know about this product. I'm talking about the mCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, and you guys, this scrub is bomb. Now, before I talk about this scrub, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the brand mCaffeine. Now, mCaffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand, and all of their products are SLS free, paraben free, clinically and dermatologically tested, and also FDA approved. Their products are also 100% vegan, cruelty free, PETA certified, and also gender neutral. And the best part is that the products can be used by all skin types. Also, there's one more thing that I really like about the brand is that they do not promote any skin whitening products, which is a very nice thing. Now it's time to show you guys how I use this scrub in my shower routine. So let's go. So this body scrub is made from pure Arabica coffee, which exfoliates your skin and also gets rid of dead skin cells and also reduces cellulite. Now, I love this scrub, you guys. You know that I'm obsessed with anything coffee or coconut. So yes, I'm going ahead with this one, and you can see the texture is really good. First of all, I'm wetting my skin and I'm literally smelling it because it's so good. Now I'm taking this wooden scoop that comes with it, and I'm wetting that scrub also a little bit so that it glides on my skin really nicely, and you can see it really sticks onto your skin. It doesn't fall off. So I'm just scrubbing my skin with it, and it is a really nice scrub. It is not very harsh, and it also leaves your skin feeling really soft, and there's this layer of moisturization that it just leaves on your skin because it has coconut oil in it. So try it out. You can find its link in my description, and also let me know how you like it because I'm pretty sure you'll love it. Another thing that you can use to exfoliate your body are these exfoliating gloves. They're very easy to use. So what you can do is you can just wear it in your hand like this. Give me a second. Yeah, wear it in your hand like this and put this one in your other hand and wet these, and then put a nice lathering body wash, and then just rub them together, make a rich foam, and then just scrub your body like this with your palms, and trust me, these work so good. These also make your body really soft, and it leaves your skin really smooth. And these are a little bit harsh, so don't use them like once or twice more than once or twice a month. And always make sure to exfoliate your knees and your elbows really well, because we tend to forget those areas, and those areas require much more love from us. So make sure that you're exfoliating your elbows and your knees. Just don't go too harsh, and just don't get excited when you see this video and just start exfoliating every day. No, don't do that. Exfoliating, you can maybe exfoliate your skin twice a week, not more than that. I would not recommend it, because I personally have sensitive skin, and 2 times a week works perfectly for me. Even once a week works perfectly for me. So what I like to do is that I club my shaving routine with my hair wash routine, right? So what I do is I go in the shower, I use a body wash all over my body with a loofah or anything, and then what I do is I shampoo my hair, and then I put a hair mask on. So I've shampooed my hair, I've put a hair mask on, and then I'll put a shower cap or something above that, so that the hair mask can rest in my hair for like a couple of minutes, maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile the hair mask is resting in my hair, I prepare my body for shaving, and that's when I exfoliate. So by this time I've been in the shower for like at least 10 minutes, right? So my body, like the hair on my body and my legs, like everywhere on my body, really gets soft, and it's really ready to like get exfoliated and shaved. All this process that I do, it really helps me get a very close and fuss-free shaving. One more thing that I'd like to add is that don't forget to moisturize your skin. Moisturizing your skin is very important after you practice shaving and exfoliation, because your skin needs a nice amount of hydration after you've done so much to your skin. Trust me, your skin will not appreciate it. So please moisturize with whatever your favorite moisturizer is, but please make sure to moisturize after you shave and exfoliate. And yeah, with that I finished my video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found this very helpful, and let me know in the comment section down below if you try out these products and how you like it. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and of course you know the drill, and I'll see you the next time.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one.